This video will show you how to export scan files directly from Medit Link to coDiagnostiX. Log into your Medit Link account and go to the App box. Find the coDiagnostiX application and click on the Install button. Now the coDiagnostiX application is installed. Go to Case box and click the New Case button. Fill out the patient name and select Register and Scan. Fill out the prescription and scan a patient. Click the Complete icon. Data processing will start. Once the data processing is completed, the status will change to Scan Completed. Click the coDiagnostiX icon to export scan files. Choose a storage location for exported files. Type the subfolder and file names. Select the preferred scan format, either STL or PLY. Click the Export icon. Open and review the case in coDiagnostiX. Select Import Model Scan on the top bar. Select Load Model Scan. Select the scan files and click Open.